quick video here to show you what I did to overvolt or put 48 volts into my stock Razor SX500. It works the same for an MX650 or an MX500. Now, I want you to be aware of the benefits and the negatives. The benefits, you will gain about 5 miles an hour in performance, but the negative is if you're an adult rider doing a lot of off-road riding, you could overheat or burn out your motor. It works great for kids under, let's say, 120 pounds, and off to do the speed test before and after, and I'll show you the performance gains.
What speed did you get? All right.
17.8 as top.
That's your top speed. All right.
This is what it looks like inside the battery box with a 48 volt lithium ion 14 amp hour battery. You can see I mounted it up here. I mounted it higher so I could get the space in here because the battery box tapers. So what I decided to do was use the stock bracket. You can see there I used 1/2-inch pipe to just kind of give me a little spacer to raise up that bracket, and then I cut a piece of foam that the battery came with around all the factory brackets so I could mount it atop using the factory bracket. It's nice and stable. I then took the control module off its little bracket and I mounted it directly to this wooden plate in the factory battery container. So now we'll go for a speed run. I'll let you know what it is on and off road. Well, how fast now?
23.5.
23.5, wow. Now we're trying the grass. What kind of speed did we get now?
19.1.
19.1 on the grass?
Yep.
Okay. As you can see from the speed test before and after, we gained about 5 miles per hour on road and off road. I hope you liked this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.